Okay guys, we got number 8, y equals 4x to the power 4 divided by x squared minus 2. The fraction that we're thinking of it in corresponding to is 4 over 2, isn't it? Because that's of order 4. This is of order 2 underneath, so 4 over 2 is improper. So we need to find out how many x squared minus 2 go into the thing on top, which is 4x to the 4. We look at the dominant terms in both parts. Dominant term for the thing on the top is that. Dominant term for the thing underneath is that. So that's what we see in our mind's eye, and we need to say how many of these go into there. We know that would go in 4x squared times. So I'm going to write 4x squared times there, and now I'm going to multiply through by 4x squared through this row here, these two terms. 4x squared times x squared is 4x to the 4, which is what we expected. And then 4x squared times minus 2 is minus 8x squared. Now we do the subtraction. That disappears. No x squareds here. Take away minus 8x squareds. Well, the double minus will give you plus 8x squareds. This remainder that we have here is still of order 2. The thing that's the denominator is of order 2, so our remainder is still improper, isn't it? 2 over 2 is an improper fraction. So we need to go through it once more. But now, instead of asking how many of these go into this, we need to ask how many of these go into this. So the dominant term here is 8x squared. Underneath the dominant term is x squared still, of course. So what does that, how many of those go into that is 8, yeah? So we write plus 8 there, and now we multiply through. So we have 8x squareds, write that down here, and then 8 times minus 2 is minus 16. We take the difference, that disappears. 0 take away minus 16 is plus 16. This is of order 0. And this is of order 2, so we end up with a remainder that's a proper fraction. So then y equals, so we've got 4x squared plus 8, yeah, and then plus our remainder over what we were dividing into, x squared minus 2. There we go. That's him. That's number 8 done. Well done. That's great if you followed that and got the answer there. Let's go on to the next one then. Good.